Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get an alien landing pod in Growtopia. This special item can grant you exciting rewards, but first, you need to know how to find it. We'll go over acquiring the essential alien scanner, the process of harvesting for the pod, and finally, what amazing items you can expect to receive when you use it. Let's dive in and explore the steps together. Your journey to obtaining an alien landing pod begins with acquiring an alien scanner. These crucial tools can be purchased directly from the Growtopia store. You can buy a pack of 4 scanners for 35,000 gems. Having these scanners is the first and most important step, as they are the only way to detect and potentially unearth the elusive landing pods during your harvesting adventures. Once you have your alien scanner, the next step is to wear it and begin harvesting trees. As you break blocks, there is a rare chance for the scanner to drop an alien landing pod. Keep in mind that the scanner itself might break after use, and it could also yield alien blocks instead of the pod. Harvesting higher rarity farmables might slightly increase your chances of a successful drop. After successfully obtaining an alien landing pod, the exciting part is using it. Simply consume the pod to receive a random space-themed item. You might get rare space animal morphs, such as a space dog or space rabbit, which come with unique abilities like double jump and an extended punch range. Other items like a Channel G News van or suspicious weather balloon are also possible rewards from these mysterious pods.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.